Looking to upgrade your gaming setup in 2025? Today we're comparing three of the most talked about gaming mice: the Logitech G305 Lightspeed, the SteelSeries Rival 3 Wireless, and the glorious Model 02. Which one is the best for you? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll reveal the overall winner and help you make the right choice. Plus, I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Your support would be greatly appreciated if you could like the video. Let's dive in and find your perfect gaming mouse. The Logitech G305 Lightspeed, with its vibrant color options and classic Logitech build quality, initially promises a compelling gaming mouse experience. However, its reliance on a single AA battery and the lack of wired or Bluetooth connectivity significantly limit its versatility, ultimately leaving it feeling somewhat underwhelming. It boasts a sleek and robust design. The plastic feels premium, and the vibrant color options provide a refreshing departure from the typical black or white aesthetic. The PTFE skates glide effortlessly across the mousepad, ensuring smooth and responsive movement. Performance-wise, the G305 delivers. The renowned Hero sensor ensures accurate tracking and consistent performance across a wide range of games. The mouse feels responsive and precise, making it suitable for both casual and competitive gaming. However, its reliance on a single AA battery is a significant drawback in today's market. While the convenience of swapping out batteries can appeal to some, it adds an extra layer of complexity and potential inconvenience. The lack of wired or Bluetooth connectivity further limits the mouse's versatility, restricting its use to systems with available USB ports. Its small size and lightweight design may not be ideal for all users. Those with larger hands might find it uncomfortable for extended gaming sessions, while the lack of ergonomic features may not provide sufficient support for optimal hand positioning. The accompanying Logitech G Hub software provides a decent level of customization, allowing users to adjust DPI settings, create custom macros, and assign functions to the mouse buttons. However, the software lacks some of the advanced features found in competing mice, such as angle snapping and customizable sensor settings. Overall, the Logitech G305 Lightspeed, while a competent performer, faces stiff competition from other gaming mice in its price range. Its reliance on a single AA battery and the lack of wired or Bluetooth connectivity significantly limit its versatility and appeal to modern gamers. While its build quality and performance are commendable, these limitations ultimately prevent it from reaching its full potential. The SteelSeries Rival 3 Wireless is a surprisingly capable entry into the wireless gaming mouse market. While it may not boast the flashiest RGB or a plethora of customizable features, it excels in the areas that truly matter: performance and battery life. Picking up the Rival 3 Wireless, you're immediately struck by its lightweight and surprisingly sturdy build. The matte black finish feels robust, and the overall design is sleek and understated. The mouse glides effortlessly across my mousepad, thanks to the smooth PTFE feet. The performance is where this mouse truly shines. The TrueMove Air sensor is incredibly responsive, ensuring precise tracking and smooth movements even during the most intense gaming sessions. I found myself consistently hitting targets with greater accuracy, and the mouse felt incredibly fluid in my hand. One of the most impressive aspects of the Rival 3 Wireless is its battery life. SteelSeries claims up to 400 hours of usage, and while I haven't personally tested it for that long, I've been consistently impressed by its longevity. This is a significant advantage, especially for gamers who don't want to worry about frequent recharging. The inclusion of both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connectivity adds a welcome layer of versatility. The 2.4 GHz connection provides a rock-solid, low-latency connection for gaming, while Bluetooth allows for easy pairing with other devices, such as laptops and tablets. While it offers a compelling package, it's not without its minor shortcomings. The design, while functional, may not be ideal for all hand sizes and grip styles. Some users might find the shape a bit too small, or the edges a bit too sharp for extended gaming sessions. Despite these minor drawbacks, it's a strong contender in the budget-friendly wireless gaming mouse market. Its combination of impressive performance, exceptional battery life, and versatile connectivity makes it a compelling option for gamers seeking a reliable and affordable wireless solution. The glorious Model O2 is a lightweight gaming mouse designed for speed and precision. Its honeycomb shell, a hallmark of the Model O series, significantly reduces weight, making it feel incredibly nimble in hand. While the aggressive aesthetic may not be for everyone, the perforated design contributes to excellent airflow, keeping your hand cool during intense gaming sessions. The mouse boasts a high-performance optical sensor with a maximum DPI of 26,000, ensuring accurate tracking and smooth cursor movement across the screen. The lightweight design, combined with the smooth glide of the PTFE feet, allows for effortless and precise movements, making it ideal for fast-paced games. It is equipped with 6 programmable buttons, including 2 side buttons for easy access to macros and other commands. The software, Glorious Core, provides extensive customization options, allowing users to adjust DPI settings, configure RGB lighting, and assign custom macros to each button. However, it is not without its drawbacks. The build quality, while generally good, feels a bit underwhelming for a mouse in this price range. The plastic used in the construction, while lightweight, lacks the premium feel of some of its competitors. Moreover, the lack of onboard memory for storing profiles can be inconvenient for gamers who frequently switch between different systems or prefer to travel with their mouse. The absence of onboard dongle storage also adds a minor inconvenience, requiring users to find a safe place to store the tiny receiver when not in use. Despite these minor shortcomings, it remains a competitive contender in the gaming mouse market. Its lightweight design, high-performance sensor, and customizable features make it a compelling option for gamers who prioritize speed and precision. However, its relatively high price point and some build quality concerns may deter some users from making the purchase. Ultimately, the Model O2 is a solid gaming mouse that excels in certain areas but may not be the best choice for everyone. Gamers who prioritize lightweight design and exceptional performance will likely appreciate its strengths, while those seeking a more premium build quality and a wider range of features may want to explore other options. When it comes to choosing the best gaming mouse in 2025, each contender has its strengths. The Logitech G305 Lightspeed impresses with its performance and build quality, but falls short with its reliance on a single AA battery and limited connectivity. The SteelSeries Rival 3 Wireless delivers outstanding battery life and versatile connectivity, making it a fantastic all-rounder. Meanwhile, the glorious Model O2 shines with its lightweight design and precision, perfect for competitive gamers. Overall, the SteelSeries Rival 3 Wireless takes the crown for its balanced performance, exceptional battery life, and versatility, offering the best value for most gamers.